Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 5 from the chapter perimeter, area and volume. Okay. Here this is the formula to find the volume of the cuboid. It is length into breadth into height cubic units, and volume of the cube is equal to side into side cubic units. To find the volume of the cuboid, we have to multiply the length, breadth and height. Then we have to use cubic units. Then volume of the cube, side into side cubic units. By using these two formulae, we are going to do the problems in exercise 5. Here first one, find the volume of these objects. Here we are going to find the volume of the given object. See the picture. Here 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. All the measurements are equal. So this is a cube. Okay. So side is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. Now we are going to find the volume of the cube. Volume of the cube is equal to, what is the formula? Side into side cubic units. Okay. Here side is equal to 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. Into 5 centimeter. Now we have to multiply the numbers. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5, 125. Then centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, centimeter cube. So 125 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cube. Is it clear, children? Then the next picture, a picture of your room. Here length is equal to 2.5 meter, breadth is equal to 2 meter, height is equal to 2 meter. So here length is given, length is equal to 2.5 meter and breadth is equal to 2 meter and height is equal to 2 meter. Now we are going to find the volume of the given room. Okay. It is in the cuboid shape. So we have to use the formula length into breadth into height. So volume of the room is equal to length into breadth into height cubic units. Here length is equal to 2.5 meter into breadth is equal to 2 meter into h is equal to height, that is 2 meter. Now we have to multiply the numbers. Here 2.5 is a decimal number. While multiplying a decimal number, we can consider as a whole number. So 25 into 2, we will get 50. 50 into 2, we will get 100. Okay, 25 into 2 into 2, 100. But here we are having one decimal place in answer. We need that one decimal place. So from the last before one digit we have to keep the decimal point. Then that is 10.0. Here meter into meter, that is meter cube. Okay. So here the decimal part is 0. So we can write as a whole number 10 meter cube. So this is the volume of the room. Is it clear? Is it clear, children? Then the next one. Here book is there. Length is 25 centimeter, breadth is 18 centimeter and height is 2 centimeter. The shape of the book is cuboid. So we are going to find the volume of the cuboid. Length is equal to 25 centimeter, breadth is equal to 18 centimeter and height is equal to 2 centimeter. Now we are going to find the volume of the book. The shape of the book is cuboid. So we have to use the formula length into breadth into height cubic units. Here length is equal to 25 centimeter into breadth is equal to 18 centimeter into height is equal to 2 centimeter. Now we have to multiply the numbers. Here 25 into 2 we will get 50. So 50 into 18. Now we have to multiply these two numbers. 8 into 0, 0. 8 5s are 40. Then we have to leave the ones place. While multiplying a number by 1, we will get the same number. Isn't it? So here 0, here 0, here 5 plus 4, 9. So 900 centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, that is centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the book. Is it clear, children? Then the next one, here cuboid picture is given. For the given cuboid, we are going to find the volume. Find the volume of these cube or cuboids. So this is the cuboid. Length is 12, breadth is 10 centimeter and height is equal to 5 centimeter. Length is equal to 12 centimeter, breadth is equal to 10 centimeter and height is equal to 5 centimeter. Now we are going to find the volume of the cuboid. Is equal to length into breadth into height cubic units. So length is equal to 12 centimeter into breadth 10 centimeter into 5 centimeter. Now we have to multiply the numbers. Here 12 5s are 60. 60 into 10, 600. 600, 10 centimeter into centimeter, we will get centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the cuboid. Is it clear, children? Then the next one, cube. Here 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter. So this is the cube. We are going to find the volume of the cube. Side is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay, we are going to find the volume of the cube. Volume of the cube is equal to side into side cubic units. So side is equal to 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter. While the numbers are ending with 0, we can multiply the numbers. Then we have to add the zeros we left in the answer. So I am going to multiply 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, how many zeros we have left? 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. So I am going to add 3 zeros in the answer. So 20 into 20 into 20, we will get 8,000. Then centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, that is centimeter cube. So 8,000 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cube. Volume of the cube is equal to 8,000 centimeter cube. Is it clear, children? The next one, the measurements are given. We are going to find the volume of the cuboid. Here length, breadth and height. So this is the cuboid. So first we have to write the formula. Volume of the cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height cubic units. Okay, here length is equal to 10 millimeter into breadth 15 millimeter into height 5 millimeter. Now we have to multiply the numbers. Here 15 into 5. Here 15 into 5, 75 we will get. 15 into 5, here 5 5s are 25, 5 here 2 carry over, 5 2s are 5 into 1 5, 5 plus 2 7, 75. 75 into 10, we will get 750. Okay, here 15 into 5, 75, then we have to multiply by 10. So, we will get 750 millimeter into millimeter into millimeter, we will get millimeter cube. So, this is the volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid is equal to 750 millimeter cube. Okay. The next question, here length is equal to 2.5 meter, breadth is equal to 6 meter and height is equal to 1.5 meter. Here we are having a decimal numbers. Okay. So, first we have to write the formula. Volume of the cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height cubic units. Okay. So, length is equal to 2.5 meter into breadth is equal to 6 meter into height is equal to 1.5 meter. While multiplying the decimal number, we have to consider as a whole number. So, first I am going to multiply 25 and 6. 25 into 6, 6 5s are 30, 0 here, 3 carry over, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 150. Then we have to multiply it by 1.5, again we have to take as a 15. Okay. So, here the number is ending with 0, so I am going to multiply 15 and 15. Okay. Here 5 5s are 25. 5 here, 2 carry over, 5 into 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Then we have to leave the ones place, 1 into 5, 5, 1 into 1, 1. While multiplying the number by 1, we will get the same number. Now we have to add here 5, 7 plus 5, 12. 2 here, 1 carry over, 1 plus 1, 2. Now I have left 1 0. So I am adding 1 0 here. Then the answer is 2250. Okay. Here now we got 2250, but here in the measurement, given measurement, we are having decimal numbers. Here one decimal place, here one decimal place. Totally 2 decimal places are there. So, in answer we need 2 decimal places. So, from the last before 2 digits we have to keep the decimal point. Then the number will become 22.50. Then meter into meter into meter, we will get meter cube. So, 22.50 meter cube. This is the volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid is equal to 22.50 meter cube. Is it clear, children? Then the next one, word problem. A packet contains 6 max books, each of length 25 centimeter, breadth 20 centimeter and height 2 centimeter. What is the volume of the packet? Okay, in this packet, how many books are there? 6 max books are there. Here the measurements of one max book is given. So, to find the volume of the packet is equal to volume of 6 books, isn't it? So, first we are going to find the volume of one book. After that, we are going to find the volume of 6 books. So, the volume of 6 books is equal to volume of the packet. Okay, let us start the solution. So, we are going to find the volume of the packet. Volume of the packet is equal to volume of 6 books. Okay. So, first we are going to find the volume of one book. After that, we are going to find the volume of 6 books. So, length is equal to, length of the one book is 25 centimeter and breadth is equal to 20 centimeter and height is equal to 2 centimeter. This is the measurement for one book. By using these, we are going to find the volume of one book. Is equal to length into breadth into height cubic units. Okay, so length is equal to 25 centimeter into breadth is equal to 20 centimeter into height is equal to 2 centimeter. Now we have to multiply these numbers. So 25 into 2 we will get 50. 50 into 2 100, then we have to add one 0. So 25 into 2 50, 50 into 2 100, then we have to add this 0 in answer. Then that is 1000 centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, we will get centimeter cube. This is the volume of one book. Volume of one book is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Now we are going to find the volume of 6 books is equal to 1000 centimeter cube into 6. 6 into 1000 we will get 6000 centimeter cube. This is the volume of 6 books. Already I told you volume of 6 books is equal to volume of the packet. So the volume of the packet is 6000 centimeter cube. So answer, volume of the packet is equal to 6000 centimeter cube. Is it clear, children? Here the measurement of one book is given. We are going to find the volume of the packet. In the packet 6 max books are there. So by using the measurement of one book, we are finding the volume of one book. After that we are finding the volume of 6 books, which is equal to volume of the packet. Next one, an empty cubicle curtain is of side 9 centimeter. Can you fit in 1000 1 centimeter cubes in it? Here one empty cubicle curtain is there. Can we fit 1000 1 centimeter cubes in it? So first we have to find the volume of the cubicle curtain and volume of 1000 1 centimeter cubes. Okay, then we have to compare the volumes. If the volume of the curtain is greater than the volume of 1 cubes, 1001 cubes, we can fit the cubes in it. Otherwise, we can't fit. Okay, let us find the volume of the cubicle curtain first. Okay, solution. Here, side of the cubicle curtain is equal to, side of the cubicle curtain is equal to 9 centimeter. Okay, we are going to find the volume of the cubicle curtain. Volume of the cubicle curtain is equal to side into side cubic units. Okay, here side is equal to 9 centimeter into 9 centimeter into 9 centimeter. Here 9 9s are 81, 81 into 9, 81 into 9. Here 1 into 9, 9, 9 8s are 72. So we will get 729 centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cubicle curtain. Okay, now we are going to find the volume of 1 centimeter cube, 1 centimeter cube. Okay, side of 1 cube is equal to, side of 1 small cube is equal to 1 centimeter. Now we are going to find the volume of 1 small cube. The same formula, side into side into side, cubic units. So 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Then we will get 1 centimeter cube. This is the volume of one small cube. Now we have to find volume of 1000 cubes. Volume of 1000 cubes is equal to 1 centimeter cube into 1000. Then that is 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, this is the volume of 1000 cubes. Now we have to compare these two volumes, volume of the cubical curtain and volume of 1000 cubes. Okay, volume of the curtain is 729 centimeter cube. Okay, volume of 1000 cubes is 1000 centimeter cubes. So this is greater than the volume of the cubical curtain. So we can't fit the 1000 cubes in the curtain. Is it clear? So answer, we can't fit 1000 1 centimeter cubes in the cubical curtain. Is it clear, children? Here the side of the empty cubicle curtain is given, that is 9 centimeter. Then 1 centimeter cube, 1000 1 centimeter cube are there. Can we fit into it? First we are finding the volume of the cubicle curtain, then we are finding the volume of 1000 cubes. The volume of 1000 cube is greater than the volume of the cubical curtain. So we can't fit 1000 1 centimeter cubes in the cubical curtain. Okay. The next one, a swimming pool is 20 meter long, 10 meter wide and 2 meter deep. Here 20 meter long, this is the length of the swimming pool, 10 meter wide, that is the breadth of the swimming pool, and 2 meter deep, that is the height of the swimming pool. Now we are going to find the volume of the swimming pool. Okay. Let us start the solution. Length is equal to 20 meter, breadth is equal to 10 meter and height is equal to 2 meter. So the shape of the swimming pool is cuboid. So volume of the swimming pool is equal to length into breadth into height, cubic units. So length is 20 meter into breadth 10 meter into height 2 meter. Okay. First 2 into 1 into 2, we will get 4. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. Then we have to add the zeros. Here we left 2 zeros. So we have to add 2 zeros in the answer. Then meter into meter into meter, we will get meter cube. This is the volume of the swimming pool. So we have to write the answer. What volume of water does it contain? So it contains 400 meter cube of water. It contains 400 meter cube of water. Is it clear, children? Here we are finding the volume of the swimming pool by using the formula. Is it clear? So to find the volume of the cuboid, the formula is length into breadth into height, cubic units. Volume of the cube is equal to side into side into side, cubic units. Is it clear? Hope you all understand. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.